Another girl. No, another girl. Let's another person. Call Neaka. Mm-hmm. All right, the last boy. Mm-hmm. Bido.
Jacob Amuyago is Jacob was the tricky man. He surgery man okay Daddy Yopa. Esau was hungry and sold his birthright Jacob was the rule Esau. Esau took Jacob's birthright. Jacob took Esau's birthright.
Chibuike Mwakawa.
Esau and Jacob means Esau and Jacob. Isaac and Rebekah were Esau and Jacob. Isaac and Rebekah gave birth to Esau and Jacob. Esau put the Opara. Esau was his firstborn. Jacob was one name, yeah. Jacob was his brother. Esau was Isaac. Esau was a hunter. Jacob will only Agogo. Jacob was mischievous. Esau jiri maka nri oke ya dịka diọkpara. Esau was hungry, so he sold his birthright to Jacob for food. Jacob rere ngozi ruru Esau. Jacob stole the blessings of Esau.
Call Neaka. That's good.
In one word, what you are
Yeah, Mota.
Okay. Just anything here, we are listening.
Start answering. No, mom is watching you. After that, you tell her now you answer plenty questions. The camera is on you.
Tell us what do you understand from the story, okay? My God. Tell us what you learned. Can we hear what
Bido otu abụọ atọ bido.
Just tell us anything you learned from the story, okay?
Nathan.
Esau and Rebekah gave birth to two sons. First one was Esau, and second one was Jacob. Number two, Esau was the first son, and Jacob and his brother was Jacob. Number three, Esau was a hunter. And number four, Jacob is mischievous. Esau sold his birthright. For food. Then Jacob stole the blessings from Esau.
Uzoma did not say anything. I didn't ask you to read. Just tell me what you learned from the story.
Since he didn't learn anything, no swimming for him today.
Chibozi,
You will step out.
did you learn anything from the story? You did not learn anything.
I don't learn that one.
Oh yeah, what is that one thing that you learned?
I learned the first one.
Tell me now, what is that first one?
Okay, what did you learn from this?
From the story.
From the story.
What are you not supposed to do from the story? What are you supposed to do from the story? Talk to us.
For me, I learned that.
Don't take what is not yours. Okay,
Don't be mischievous. Work hard. Yes.
The Lord do things easily. The Lord lose things easily.
Don't lose things.
that belong to you easily because of nothing, just food. Because of food.
It's fast.
Okay, so I'm going to say my home town. But I can say I know when they have a town.
Ngwa gee nụ ntị. Gee nụ ntị o. Quiet. Well, ajụjụ. We said question time. Do you have any?
You ask us questions.
Okay, I should ask you a question. Okay. Ụmụaka n'one ka Isaac na Rebecca mụtara.
Translate it in English.
No, you are fine.
Esau. Ole ka ha dị? Ole, how many are they?
Okay, I'll go to him.
Ha dị abụọ. Good.
There is difference between mention the names. So like be careful when you are answering questions in exam, okay? The question is how many. Whenever you go, like this, how many, okay?
N'ime Esau na Jacob, kedu onye bụ diọkpara? Between Esau and Jacob, who is the first son?
This side. This side.
I'm not allowing you.
Chimobi.
Later. Mama will be in Izoma will not sing today. We'll ask him the first one.
The others are too long for me.
Oh. Let me allow Uzoma now.
Who is the first son? Who's the
Esau. Call on the aka. Good. Onye bụ nwanne Esau. Kedu onye bụ nwanne Esau?
Gịnị bụ nwanne? Mmadụ si nwanne m, what does it mean?
These people are
Eh?
Gịnị bụ nwanne?
Is it?
What did the question say? Before you answer, you want to know whether you actually understand.
Nwanne is brother or sibling. Okay, Ngwazani. Ngwaza Amarachiza. Yes.
So what is the answer? No, it's not what the question is.
Jacob. Good. Kọwaa dinta n'olu bekee. Kọwaa dinta n'olu bekee.
Gịnị bụ bekee? Who can tell us what it is?
Kọwaa dinta n'olu bekee. Hunter.
Don't answer when you are not
Hunter, okay.
Don't answer when you are not asked to answer, okay?
N'ime Ịsọ na Jekọb, kedu onye bụ onye aghụghọ? Jekọb bụ onye aghụghọ. Very good. Maka gịnị ka Ịsọ jiri were oke ya dịka diọkpara? Maka gịnị ka a na-ewe ihe aka ka e mere? Maka gịnị ka Ịsọ jiri maka ya were oke ya? Why did Ịsọ sow the birthright? Why? Okay. Because of food. Beautiful. Nri. Kọwaa ngọzi n'olu Bekee. What's the meaning of ngọzi in English? Ngọzi. Okay. Blessing. All right. Ngọzi Chukwu. Okay. Anyị abịago na njedebe ekpere ụtụtụ anyị. So ka anyị bụrụ na-eburu n'obi, anyị ejine maka anya ụfụ maọbụ maka nri maọbụ maka ife ọbụla were oke ruoro anyị. Let's not use because of food, water, drinks, phones, gadgets to sell our birthrights. Okay? Ọtụtụ ife ndị a bụ ife unu ga na-afụ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Sometimes in your school, you might see somebody who will come and say, let's do a deal, let's strike a deal. Okay? Give me your provision, I'll give you this. Or, okay, give me your provision, I'll teach you during the test or exam in the school. Don't sell your birthright. It's common in body school, right? They do deal in schools. Okay? Do you understand? So, onye jine maka ife ụwa, don't use because of worldly things and do what? Were oke ruo unu, dịka nwata akwụkwọ, dịka ụmụ Chukwu. Or, do you understand? Don't use because of anything, no matter what anybody is offering to you, don't use because of that to do what? To sell your position, your right, your birthright, or anything that belongs to you, okay? Always stand your ground and stand it firm. Let your yes be yes, and let your no be what? No. Chineke gozie anyị n'afọ a Jizọs. Gwaka anyị kpezie n'ekpere mmechi. Ọ bụ n'aha Jizọs. Chineke nna anyị ekelekwa gị ọzọ n'isi ụtụtụ a. Isi eme ka anyị bụrụ ndị dị ndụ n'ala ndị dị ndụ. Anyị na-asị gị nara ekele nara otuto n'afọ a Jizọs. Ịkụzigola anyị ka nwanne si wee ree oke ruo rie dịka diọkpara maka nri. Anyị wee na-arịọ gị Chineke nye anyị amara. Anyị wee kwụsị ike n'okwu gị. Anyị ghara ile oke ruoro anyị dịka ụmụ Chukwu n'afọ a Jizọs. Nyekwara anyị aka n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ọbụna dịka anyị si apụ for morning workout, anyị na-arịọ gị na o nwere onye n'ime anyị ga-agbaji ụkwụ, o nwere onye n'ime anyị ga-agbaji aka n'afọ a Jizọs. Ife ọmụmụ anyị taa ka anyị na-ewere tinye n'aka gị na-asị Chineke bịa nọnyere anyị, bịa chekwaa anyị, bịa jikwa anyị n'afọ a Jizọs. Ife niile nke anyị ga-eme n'ụbọchị nke taa, ma nri anyị ga-eri na egwu anyị ga-agba, ma ndị nkụzi anyị ndị akụziri anyị ife dị iche iche. Chineke anyị na-arịọ gị izitere anyị mmụọ nsọ gị ka mmụọ nsọ gị bịa nọnyere anyị n'afọ a Jizọs. Gọzikwa anyị ncha niile. Gọzie ndị nne na nna anyị ndị nọ ọnlaịn wee na-elele anyị ife anyị na-ele ebe a ọnlaịn. Anyị na-asị gị gọzie fa n'afọ a Jizọs. Anyị na-ayọkwa gị na-asị gị gọzie nwunye Maazị n'afọ a Jizọs. Anyị na-ayọkwa gị na-asị gị gọzie ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị niile. Bless all our students n'afọ a Jizọs. Anyị na-ayọkwa gị gọzie ndị maọbụ anyị na-esile anyị ezigbo nri. Na-asị gị gọzie fa n'afọ a Jizọs. Wee na-ayọzikwa n'isi ndị nkụzi anyị niile na-asị gị gọzie anyị ncha n'afọ a Jizọs. Anyị na-eto ụbọchị nke taa baa n'afa nke Nna na nke Ọkpara na nke Mmụọ Nsọ. Amen. Ngwakọrọ Jizọs aka. Clap for Jesus. All right. ngwa mechie na akwụkwọ unu tinye n'ime file ka ọ ghara ifu efu. Go close up your books, put them inside the file so that you don't get lost. Remember, after workout is breakfast, is bath time. You come for breakfast, after that is your class.
But you can't be busting up the whole of TikTok because everyone found out you have the money. Like,